Welcome back to Hard Work with Matt. If you caught my last video, we went ahead and planted these trees here. In this video, we're going to go ahead and put these watering bags on it. I think our last trees died in part because our dogs chewed on them and partly because they did not get enough water. So we're going to go ahead and use these this time, see if that helps. These things hold about 20 gallons of water. You water them about once or twice a week. If you want to check these out, I'll put a link down in the description. You can check them out on Amazon there. So yeah, we'll go ahead and put these things on. It's pretty easy. Fill it up and check it out. So to put these things on, all you got to do is wrap it around the tree and zip them up. So I'm just going to flip the zipper around to the back so we don't see it. That's our parking area over there, so just don't want to see the zipper every time we pull up. Next up, we're just going to fill it up with water. Once we get a few inches in the bottom, I'm just going to shake it with the handles here a couple times, get the bag seated where I want it, and yeah, just fill it up. Just filling it up with water every so often before it gets too full. Just want to make sure it's not leaning on the tree too much. Just keep it situated. Let it fill up. So on this one out here, see the bag's a little bit taller than some of these branches. We just need to trim these off to make that work. There we go. Put it on and start filling. So one of the things I've noticed on these is they all tend to be heavy on the side away from the zipper, and after I get them full, I've just been moving them a little bit to keep them off the tree, but they drain out in a couple hours, so it's not that big of a deal. So far we got 4 down, 2 more to go. Hopefully my hose goes that far. Move it on and get these done. All right, so if you look down that way, you see about 200 feet of hose stretched out for me to water these trees. When you come over here, you see that hose ends a couple feet short. Ingenious idea to get that couple feet. Took a hose left over from the swimming pool, was able to put that in the top of the bag and shoot the hose right on into that, fill the bag up. Was able to fill that bag up without any problems and got me out of a pinch. Sometimes you got to just use what's around and make do. Probably add another 25 feet to this hose later, but this definitely works for now. All right, so we got all the bags out, got them all filled up. We're good for tonight. Again, if you want to check those bags out, I'll put a link down in the description. You can check them out on Amazon there. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.